Hello and welcome to this Poddar School of Mathematics. So here today we are discussing about sets, and in earlier class in lecture 1 we have discussed the definition of sets in detail and types of sets also, and how to describe a set. That is also a very important point to understand. Today we are discussing about subsets. What do you mean by subsets? A set A is said to be a subset of set B if every element of A is also an element of B. Then we write A is a subset of B. If A and B are two sets, then A will be a subset of B if every element of A is also present in B. I think it is clear. If A is a subset of B, then B is called a superset of A. Then B is called a superset of A, and we write B is a superset of A like this. If A is a subset of B, then B is known as the superset of A. And what is proper set? What do you mean by this proper set? If A is a subset of B and A is not equal to B, A B का सबसेट है लेकिन A और B दोनों बराबर नहीं है, बराबर हो भी सकता है नहीं भी हो सकता है. अगर नहीं है then A is called a superset, sorry, A is called a proper subset of B. Here you can say subset, not set. Proper subset of B. So we have discussed about subset, superset and proper subset. Let us understand this thing by an example. First of all, we have discussed about subset. If A and B, suppose A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are seeing that every element of A, every element means 0, 1, 2, 3, every element of A is present in B. If every element of A is present in B, then we can say that A is a subset of B. I think it is clear. Here, if you take one more example, A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every element of A is not present in B. 0 is not present in B. However, 0 is present in A. So here, A is not a subset of B. I think it is clear. So the definition of subset is set A is said to be a subset of B if every element of A is also an element of B, and we write A is a subset of B. If A is a subset of B, then B is known as the superset of A. And if A is a subset of B and A and B are not equal, then A will be called as proper subset of B, and we write simply A is a proper subset of B like this. I think it is clear what is subsets. Now, if you take this example, A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 0, then A is a null set, but B is a singleton set. So here A is not a subset of B. It is obvious. A equal to set of all circles in a plane. In a plane, if you consider all possible circles, and B is a set of all circles whose radius is 1. then each and every element of B is also present in A definitely. So we can say here B is a subset of A. I think it is clear. After that, you come to this point, that is universal set. What do you mean by this universal set? If there are some sets under consideration, then there happens to be a set which is a superset of each one of the given set. Such a set is known as universal set for those sets. मान लो कि A इक्वल टू 1 2 3 है, B इक्वल टू 2 3 4 5 we have considered, and C is also one more set, that is 6 7. If we consider a set U containing elements 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, then clearly U is the superset of each of the given sets. U is the superset of A, U is the superset of B, U is the superset of C. So U is the superset of each of the given sets. Here, then U is considered as universal set. So if there are some sets under consideration, we have collected some sets, then there happens to be a set which is a superset of each one of the given sets, then a set is known as the universal set of these sets. So universal set contains all those sets which are given in that context. I think it is clear what is universal set. Then power set. What do you mean by power set? The set of all subsets of a given set. The set of all possible subsets of a given set is called a power set of that set. For example, suppose A is equal to 1 2. A is equal to 1 2. If you find possible subsets of this set 1 2, then first one will be null set, second is 1 2 1 2. These are possible subsets of A, and if you collect this one in these two braces, then this set of all possible subsets of the given set will be known as power set of A. Power set of A. If number of A is equal to m, then power set of A will be equal to 2 to the power n. This you have to remember. Means 2 to the power n will be the number of possible subsets of the given set. 2 to the power m. If number of A is equal to m, then power set A is equal to 2 to the power m. Or it is, you can say, number of power set of A is equal to 2 to the power m. कहने का मतलब मेरा ये कि अगर A में 2 एलिमेंट्स है तो इसका जो पावर सेट बनेगा वो पावर सेट 2 to the power 2 होगा, because 1 and 2, there are 2 elements, 2 to the power 2, that is 4. So there will be 4 elements in that power set, 1 2 3 4. So getting number of elements of the given set, we can find how many possible subsets will be formed. I think it is clear. Power set, the set of all possible subsets of a given set is called a power set of that set. If A is equal to 1 2, then possible subsets are null set, a set containing 1, set containing 2, set containing 1 and 2. So there are 4 possible subsets of the given set A, and if you make the set of all these 4 subsets, that will be equal to power set of A. The number of power set of A can be calculated by the formula 2 to the power m, where m is the number of elements given of that set. So I think it is clear. Next point is intervals and subsets of R. Let small a and small b belongs to R. Then we defined first closed interval. Closed interval. What is that? Closed interval can be denoted as a, b like this. Closed bracket. And this will be equal to all access such that all access belongs to R such that a less than equal to x less than equal to b. So in this set, a and b both will be included. Second one is open interval. Open interval. Open interval can be written as a, b like this. It can also be written as ab with this small bracket, which will be equal to all access such that, or all x belongs to R such that a is less than x is less than b. Here a and b will not be included in that set. Or now third one is right half open interval. Right half open interval. Right half open interval can be expressed as this. AB, this is closed and this one is open, which will be equal to all access such that, or all x belongs to R such that a is less than x less than equal to b. Here b will be included but a will not be included. And fourth one is left half open interval. Left half open interval. Left half open interval is this, AB, but right half open interval is this. In right side it is open. If it is right side open, then here will be less than b and it will be equal to like this. Means a will be included, b will not be included. I'm sorry, it is right half open interval. In right side it will be opened. Here in left side it will be opened, but right side will be closed. So this will be equal to all access such that, or all access belongs to R such that a is less than x is less than equal to b. Right half open interval, in right side there will be only less than. Left half open interval, in left side less than, only less than, and rest side will be less than equal to. So it is very important, that is intervals as subsets of R. What do you mean by closed interval? Both sides will be closed and here will be less than equal to less than equal to. Open interval, both sides will be opened and less than only. Right half open interval, in right side open but left side closed. Left half open interval, left side open, right side closed. So intervals as subsets of R, this is also very important to understand. So taking all these considerations, we have studied what are subsets, what do you mean by superset, what is proper set, what is universal sets. Universal sets is considered taking some given sets in context. What do you mean by power set? And intervals as subsets of R. Here there are 4 categories. First one is closed interval, second is open interval, third is right half open interval, and fourth is left half open interval. So in this way, we can understand the things properly. One question is very important to understand in subsets. Let us take this example. Suppose A is equal to 1, 2, 3, but 2, 3 is closed in brackets, and 4. Here A contains how many elements? At a stretch we can see that there are 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, but A contains only 3 elements, namely 1, 2, 3. 2, 3 is considered as a single element, and 4. Here there are 3 elements considered, because these 2, 3 are closed in a bracket to make a single element. So there are 3 elements, thus 1 is belonging to A, 2, 3 is also belonging to A, and 4 is also belonging to A. But 2, 3 is not a subset of A in this concept. If you write 2, 3 is a subset of A, that is a wrong statement in this context of this example. So 2, 3 is simply closed in a bracket considering single element. It is an element here. It is not a set. If you want to write this in the set form, then you have to write 2, 3 bracket, again one more bracket. This bracket indicates the set. So this is a subset of A, but this will not be a subset of A. This is the wrong statement in this context. So this is very important example to understand regarding subsets. Thank you.